sleep, Sax? Good morning. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hi. Trying to eat your hands. Good morning. Hi. We all have our colds that Dad gave us. So we got a cold from Dad. We got a cold from Dad. We got a cold from Dad. He gave us a cold. He gave us a cold. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. You're eating your sister's arm. Hey, you eating your sister's arm? You're so hungry, huh? Wow. Wow.